Hey, this is Will from MachineLoveUs.com, back with the next in a series on building out a YouTube reporting system, building out reports for YouTube data analysis. Where we left off last time is we have this snippet that we took from the YouTube API. And what this allows us to do, this snippet in conjunction with our API key that we received from YouTube, is to search through a list of videos. So if we transition over to our environment where we set up a Python 3.6 environment, tube analysis, and we just search on a keyword Python, what we receive back from our little script here is just the list of videos. We searched on Python. So what does it take to become a Python expert? We have that video ID. So this is very good. We have a list of videos, we have their IDs, but we want to know more. We want to get some statistics about these IDs. So where do we go from here? Well, I've brought the code that we had into Sublime Text so that we can start modifying it. And what we want to do is we have these IDs from the videos, so we can use these to look up their video counts, their like counts, their view counts, their comment counts. And those are the statistics that we will start to get and then use moving forward in future videos. Okay, so how do we get the likes, comments, and views of these videos that we search on? Okay, so first things first is we're going to have to import some new packages that we haven't imported before. JSON, AST, and requests. And these will become useful later on, and you might have to go and pip install requests. I installed it just before, so it's already satisfied for me, but you might have to do that. You might also have to pip install JSON. AST should come with your system, and JSON as well, so you don't need those. Okay. So the key insight here is that what we can do is we know the URL for YouTube is going to be this Google API's YouTube v3 videos. And what we have are parameters with an ID, a video ID. And what we want, the part that we want, are statistics. So what we could do is modify this input ID. We keep our Google key. We modify this input ID with the new ID for all of the videos that we want to get statistics on, and then we can start getting statistics for all of the videos that we found up here. So instead of this function not returning anything, we're actually going to have it return video IDs. We will have a new list called videos ID. I'm going to turn these prints off for now, just so we can know what's going on. And actually, I am going to uncomment this, but what essentially is going on is that we have the videos to the videos ID list. We are going to append the search result that is the videos ID. And a lot of this other stuff is essentially cruft at this point, and we could remove it. I'm going to leave it in for now. So we return from this YouTube search videos ID. Well, let's just say videos so we don't get confused. And then for the ID in videos, what we can do is we could take this parameters dictionary and we can modify the ID in there to be the ID that we are iterating over. So we're updating this dictionary. And then we're going to say the page that we're going to return is from requests, that module, that library that we import, a request, a get method. The URL is the URL, the Google API's YouTube v3 videos. And the params that we're passing are the parameters dictionary that we've just modified. So we're telling Google, the Google API, hey, get this the ID for the video that we want, now the video and the list of videos that we're returning from our search, and then keep everything the same, keep the statistics that we want, and keep our Google key the same. Although we could modify those too, there's just no reason to yet. So let's return results. Is there going to be JSON page.text? The page itself is a 200 response. And then let's just print out, and this is where the AST library comes into effect, because this JSON is actually a string, and I need to convert it to a dictionary. Okay, and I actually got the idea for this from a snippet from one of the YouTube API's data and statistics pages. But let's see what this gets us now. So from that search on the keyword Python, what we're going to receive back, instead of just a list of videos, is an error, video IDs. So it's going to be, okay, and what we actually said this was going to be was videos ID. Videos ID, okay. This is the process. Okay, method, we are missing one positional. On the request, metho, that's wrong. You will have, we all make mistakes here. String has no object read. Okay, so let's check that out. Maybe I'm moving a little too fast. Okay, I think I fixed all my spelling mistakes here. And what we're actually returning now are statistics on the kind of video, an E tag, and the stats. These are the statistics that we actually want in these items that we're returning. So it seems like we could return a bigger list, but for the moment, we'll just index into that list and grab the statistics from there, and then we should be able to see all of the statistics for all of these videos that we can search over. And so where this gets us at this point is that we're now getting data back that we can use to visualize and actually create a little report. So we'll do that next so that we have some payout at the end of all of this work that we've done so far. So I will see you in the next video where we will create an interactive graphic of this YouTube data that we've received back. Please like and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.